Again, we have another example here. This time we have 9x to the third power minus x minus 3 divided by 3x plus 2. And so again, the polynomial in the numerator is what we're dividing, and the polynomial in the denominator is what we're dividing by. And so we have our 3x plus 2. I keep making that mistake. So we have our 3x plus 2 on the outside. And then we have our 9x to the third minus x minus 3 on the inside. Okay. So now what I want to do, again, what I'm trying to figure out is what term, when I multiply it by 3x, do I get 9x to the third power? So if I multiply 3x by 3x squared, that's going to give me 9x to the third power, right? If I do 3x squared times 3x, multiply the constants together, you'll get 9. Multiply the variables, x squared times x is x to the third. So it checks out. So we have minus 9x to the third. And now remember, we have to take this term and multiply it by this plus 2 as well. So 3x squared times positive 2 is plus 6x squared. And now we do our subtraction. 9x to the third power minus 9x to the third power is just 0. And in this case, we have nothing to combine the 6x squared with, right? There's no like terms here. So we just carry it down. So minus 6x squared. Right, remember, we're subtracting a positive number. So we're subtracting 6x squared. And now what I want to do is I want to carry down the x. Okay? Now again, we go through the same idea. What value, when I multiply by 3x, am I going to get 6x squared? Well, if I do 3x times 2x, we multiply the constants together, we get 6. Multiply the variables, we get x squared. But we want a minus 6x squared here, so we want a minus 2x. Right, so if we multiply minus 2x times positive 3x, we're going to get minus 6x squared. And then minus 2x times positive 2 is going to be minus 4x. And so again, remember, there's always this built-in subtraction. And in this case, our numbers are both negative. And so instead of subtracting the negatives, we're going to be adding them as positives. So negative 6x squared plus 6x squared is going to give us 0. And negative x plus 4x is going to give us positive 3x. And then I want to carry down that minus 3. And so finally, what value do I have to multiply by 3x to get 3x? That's just 1. And so, finally, we have 1 times 3x is 3x. 1 times 2 is 2. And so 3x minus 3x is 0. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. And so now this time we have a remainder because I can't multiply anything times 3x to get negative 5. So what I want to do is I want to write this, so our final answer is the expression we have at the top, 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus negative 5 divided by 3x plus 2. So this is our final answer. So again, if we do have a remainder, which in this case was -5, then we bring it in this way. So 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 is the expression that we get on the top. And then if we have a remainder, we just write it as plus that remainder divided by the expression we were dividing by.